Andy Barrar, Handy Andy here for Best Buy's blog. Now when we talk about smart homes, we talk about smart security, but we're going to look at a smart security solution that is really innovative. And I have Joshua here from Ring. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Andy, for coming.
So you're the CTO of Ring.
I'm the CTO of Ring.
So you are really instrumental in developing this product. Explain what we're looking at here.
Yeah, so what you're looking at here is our Always Home Cam. This is a purpose-driven camera. Some may call it a drone. But for us, it's really about a targeted camera that can react to sensors in your home. So you program a waypoint, you program a path, and then this will fly out to a sensor. So imagine a door sensor opening, a window breaking, or you even just wanting to check on maybe whether the oven's been left on. You can actually turn this on to go fly that waypoint, or it'll automatically do it itself. So what is important to us is we look at it and say, listen, there's going to be a lot of homes eventually that don't want to have cameras in every home, but they still want to monitor their home proactively. And so this will allow them to have that sort of flexibility and transparency of having a camera in their home without having to install something in every single area, and it becomes that purpose-driven thing that will fly to that location.
This is really cool. Like I'm trying to imagine, say you're on vacation, someone breaks into your home, this thing can just suddenly come up.
That's exactly right. So that's the idea, is that it gives you that peace of mind, whether you're home or you're not home, you're home virtually, right? And so this allows you to always be home, which used to be our tagline. And so that actually sort of fits right into it. There's a combination of products over time, this being one of them, that we seeing sort of help driving that purpose-driven reaction type camera that allows you to feel comfortable when you're on vacation.
And is there, I guess, a camera built in? You get a live stream of it?
It's just like any other Ring camera, and that's the way. It shows up in the Ring app. You can do a live view of it. You can go back to the recordings. And yeah, so it's a great 1080p video that comes through on the camera. And
what kind of price point are we looking at over here? Is it out yet?
This is not out yet. It'll be out in the next coming years. We have not set a price point yet. Listen, what I would say is it'll probably be similar to other Ring camera price points, right? We sort of range between that $130 and $399 range for most of our products. My guess is it'll fit in that range.
So if you are interested in smart security solutions, this is something on a whole different level. Yeah. Josh, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. You're welcome.
I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy for Best Buy's blog. See you again next time.